గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, అందరూ ఎలా ఉన్నారు? ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్ అర్థమైందా అబౌట్ ద ఫంక్షన్స్? ఐ థింక్ నౌ యూ లెర్న్ ఫంక్షన్స్ ఇస్ ద వన్ కాన్సెప్ట్ in which the repeated code can be used and the programming can be built more better kada. One more concept is there which is called as packages. So packages is the very high graded and upgraded concept in which the repeated code is built in the packages and we can write better programming and we can develop better programming. Okay, సో ఈ ప్యాకేజెస్ కానీ ఫంక్షన్స్ కానీ యూజ్ చేస్తూ మీరు ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ బిల్డ్ చేశారు అనుకోండి, యూ విల్ ఫీల్ లైక్ అంటే ద ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ ఇస్ బిల్డ్ వెరీ పర్ఫెక్ట్లీ అనే కాన్సెప్ట్ మీకు కరెక్ట్ గా ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్, యూజింగ్ ఫంక్షన్స్, యూజింగ్ ప్యాకేజెస్, ఇఫ్ యూ క్రియేట్ ఎనీ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ యూ విల్ బికమ్ ద బెస్ట్ అండ్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామర్. సో టుడే we will discuss about the packages. So let us start the presentation.
As we discussed in my previous video about functions, today we are discussing about the packages. So packages are also similar like functions which are used the code in another program. So the program can be reused in another program using packages. This is the upgraded one. Now packages definition is, packages are the collection of interfaces and classes. And similar to functions, packages are of two types. One is predefined packages and next one is the user-defined packages. In the previous functions, the predefined functions will have header files. Now, for the predefined packages, it is a collection of some methods and classes. So, we define the user-defined packages to make similar to predefined, like collection of methods and collection of classes. Now, let us discuss how can we declare a package. Package can be declared using a predefined keyword called package and the package name. So, package name should not be a predefined keyword and should not be a predefined package. This can be a user-defined name with similar conditions like functions. Now, for example, see, lang.math.square root of x. This is a predefined one. Here I will explain, like if it is a package name dot, we can make class name dot, we can make method name. So similar, the example of predefined one, the user defined can be done as package name dot, class name dot and method name. Now, how to create and how to implement the packages. So first, create a package with package name and save the package. So this package saving process is somewhat important because the package name has to be as folder and we need to save the class in that package. Next, create a program of using the package name which we have created as a package name. So create a program like import the package name dot the class name and save this program normally as Java. The package program should not be compiled or run. The Java program has to be compiled and implemented. Now let me show you the example of package. See, package and package A, this is the package name. Class and class A, this is the class name. Here display A is as a method name. So how can we write this one? Package A dot class A dot display A. This can be implemented similar like the predefined one. Now package A is the package name dot class A as a class name dot display A is the method name. Save this program like package A dot. Now let us create a package. Here package is the predefined keyword and our package name is package A and we are creating as a class A as a method. Okay, now I am creating file, save, this is the Java folder. Here we need to create a new folder as package A. After creating package A, open the package A and here save the Java program, that is class A dot Java. save. No need to compile the package program and no need to execute the package program. This package program is linked to the Java program which are going to continue in next program. Now we discuss how to write a program. So package A is our package name .classname which we have defined and saved as. So this is imported in the Java program. Now class demo is the normal Java program and here class A is the method name, object A is the object name. We have created a new class. This program has to be saved as normal. Okay. Now this is the Java program. Here we have imported the package A and class A to this program. So this is the normal Java program. Class demo is our class name. Here I am calling the class A and object A and class A. This is the dynamic memory allocation to allocate the packages to this program. Okay, to allocate the package to this program. Now this program is saved normally like save. Now SSA is the Java folder. So we need to go back to SSA folder. Here you have to save as class name, that is our demo.java. And this program is compiled and this program is run. Now we compile the Java program javac demo.java, that is our Java program. Next we execute the Java program. So we get the output, welcome to Success Software Academy. This is our output. Now I think you understood how to save the package and how to save the class. Now let me explain how to add more packages to the programs. So we can create number of packages like this. Import package A and any class name. Import package 2 like any class name. Now these are again created in the normal Java program by calling package name dot class name and object name. So likewise we can create more packages and we can implement these more packages in the programming language. Hope you understand very well about the packages.
సో కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థమైంది కదా, ప్రజెంటేషన్ అర్థమైందా? హౌ క్యాన్ వి బిల్డ్ ద ప్యాకేజెస్? మాక్సిమం ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ ని నార్మల్ గా రాయకుండా యూజింగ్ ఫంక్షన్స్ కానీ యూజింగ్ ప్యాకేజెస్ కానీ చేస్తూ మీరు డెవలప్ చేశారు అంటే మీ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ రిపీటెడ్ గా రాయకుండా పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా ప్లాన్ అవుతుంది. సో యూజ్ ద ప్యాకేజెస్ అండ్ ఫంక్షన్స్ టు డెవలప్ యువర్ బెటర్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్. Okay, I hope you learned something from this video and please like, share and subscribe. And one more request, నేను చూస్తున్నాను చాలా మంది మన వ్యూస్ చూస్తున్నారు, మన వీడియోస్ చూస్తున్నారు కానీ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయట్లేదు. మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి లైక్ చేస్తేనే నేను మోర్ వీడియోస్ చేయడానికి పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంటుంది. సో ఇట్స్ అ సిన్సియర్ రిక్వెస్ట్ టు ఆల్ ద వ్యూవర్స్, ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.